crazy morning on the way to work. This lady, crazy lady, switches lane in the middle of the intersection, changes her mind, cuts me off again to go back. I pass her, honk. The heck is wrong with you? Then invades my lane, actually crosses over though, at this point, white line still. Passes me on the left. That's just crazy. Still upset. Like I'm the one that cut her off. So I try to just get in front of her. Crazy. And then she crosses double yellow lines to pass me on the left side. Completely ridiculous and dangerous. Be careful out there.